Hey yogis, welcome. It's Julia, and I am so glad that you are here. This is my Couch to Confident yoga series. I designed this series specifically for anybody who has met any sort of frustration on their yoga mat. I know that a lot of times students are looking to feel more confident in their yoga practice, and this course is specifically designed to help you address stability, mobility, or flexibility issues that you might find in a yoga practice. So as you go through this course, I've progressively increased the challenge in every video and addressed a common problem area so that as you move through, you progressively feel stronger, more flexible, you'll have overall more mobility. You might even lose a little bit of weight. So this is a fantastic course for you if you are looking to find more confidence in your yoga practice. I hope you'll catch me in the next video, and until then, namaste.